Hello friends, welcome again. This is Raj and I hope you are doing great. So last month I took a trade on 3M India and I'm still holding on to it. I'm planning to exit in a day or two. So I'm going to explain you the pattern, the entries and the exits in this trade. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel and also share this video with your friends. So the capital that I've used in this particular trade is 14 lakhs. Profit that I've generated is 4 lakhs. Returns would be around 30%. Still I have not exited it. Probably in a day or two or probably 2 days I could exit it. So let me just explain you in detail as to what happened in 3M India and how I took an entry. And also I just wanted to update you guys that I've started a new Tamil channel. I will provide the link in the description and also pin it in the comment section. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel and please support me. Okay friends, so this is 3M India chart in weekly time frame. As you can see that there is a huge resistance at the top and even at the bottom you can see 4 or 5 supports at the bottom, and this is a perfect triangle pattern that has been happening for close to 2.5 years to 3 years. It started from 2018 and the breakout was happening at March. Okay, so where did I enter? So I came across this stock. We in our JFT community, we go through all the stocks every day and we look for potential charts, right? So when I was going through this stock, this particular candle sorry guys, so this particular candle was formed, which is kind of a bullish engulfing, because it has gone down and it has also engulfed the previous red candle, right, in weekly time frame, and that is one indication. Bullish engulfing has happened in the bottom of the channel, that is another indication. So we have two confirmation. So I just went into a daily time frame and I was looking for more confirmation, and I was able to find this. Okay, so what did I do? I just went into 1 hour time frame and this is what I saw. So my entry was 21,485. Looking at this 1 hour time frame, this is a huge bullishness from the pattern from the bottom of the channel, and then it was in sideways, and then I could see a really good momentum, right? Even if it's the breakout, my stop loss would be here, correct? So this is why I did not wait for the breakout to happen. Just by looking at the bullishness, I entered here at 21,485, and I have been holding the stock for almost a month now, and I'm making this video because I'm going to exit the stock soon. Most likely I will exit it. If right now I'm currently holding it, but I may exit probably today or tomorrow, because if this is broken, let's say, probably I will wait until this point. If this is broken, I will exit the trade, and if this specific pattern is not broken, and if it goes something like this, I will continue to hold. So this is how I trade. I do multi time frame analysis. I teach you many other things, how to small things that are very critical in trading, in swing trading, and that is what you would see in my course, and you would get charts like this. Yes, we posted this in our community and many were able to make money from this as well, right? So if you look at my risk reward ratio, I entered here. This is my entry and my stop losses here, and look at the risk reward ratio, guys. It's 1:11, and that's why swing trading is great. You would always get maximum returns with limited stop loss. Like it's completely fine if your stop loss hit 3 or 4 times. If you could just hold to a winning trade as much as possible, it's not that hard to make consistent income from stock market. This is what we have been doing it for the past 1 year in our community, and irrespective of the market, if you choose the right stock, I know the March month has been pretty sideways, but look at it, we just picked the right stock in the month of February end and we are holding on to this successful stock, right? So it's all about picking the right stock and waiting for the right time to enter, and also to have the patience to hold to a trade. Okay, so this is my trade. So the profit stands at 3,89,000 so far, and Let's see. I hope this is not broken today. If it's broken, which means I would have exited this trade. Okay, so I hope you guys learned it. Please make sure to subscribe to this video. Please like this video and also share it with your friends. If you guys have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Okay friends, I just wanted to give you an update. 2 hours after I recorded it, 3M India just reversed from this trend line, and that is how I trail my stop loss. Now if you look at my profit, it is more than 5 lakhs and the percentage is around 35%. So I will continue to hold this, and I hope this act as a perfect example as to how I stick on and hold on to the profitable trades. And yes, I would have exited if it has come up to this point, this particular area, but since it just reversed, I'm gonna stick to it and I'm not going to exit anytime soon.